What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are moving again. Okay, third apartment, third time moving. 10:21. I need my brother to come with me to help me film my empty apartment tour. Cars, I don't know how he's gonna get in. That's not him. Literally like 5 minutes away from where I'm staying right now. I need to just meet the movers at the storage after I film my tour, and hopefully everything's like a one and done type trip, but I'll update y'all.
You may have to crop that out.
What happened?
I got your house number. It's fine.
You like that?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay, y'all, like I see, I'm already sweating. We're in the heat. Got the U-Haul. My mom's driving, but the movers are already waiting on us, unfortunately. Any words?
Yeah, get that camera out my face.
It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't.
This lady has been doing nothing. She's exhausted.
Nobody paying me. Go get what?
My underwear. Is it my underwear? Is it? Just a shirt, guys.
Okay, now we can start taking the stuff.
My dad just came. He came late when everything is done on purpose. We got everything moved. Movers behind me. My sister's in front of me. We're going to the apartment. I got a few things in my car. Y'all, I have so many clothes. So many clothes. But, yeah. I'll see you when we get to the apartment. Okay, I'm in here before the movers come, but I'm so excited. I wish they could come in from the back door, but if you haven't seen my apartment tour, so you can see everything.
Until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby,
I'm actually coming. I'm gonna get everything out of the boxes, and I'll wash it later.
right up to
The camera's crooked, but I'm trying to like see how my vanity will look in the closet. I'll probably end up changing it later, but we'll see. I might end up throwing this whole thing away. I think this is like way too like cluttered. Yo, I'm really gonna cry. I have clothes here, clothes here, clothes here, clothes here, here, and freaking here, here, and there. Like, it's really too much. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Y'all, we're at Walmart because I didn't want to go to Target and get on the interstate again and do all that jazz. So I'm in here looking beat right now, but lips white, everything. Oh my gosh. I need a shower so bad I'm sweating. We're in the cleaning supply aisle, and I don't know whether to get wipes or like a rag and a spray. Where are the rags at anyway? Okay, I don't have any of my remotes for some reason, but I need a Roku remote and Fire Stick remote. I think last time I had the Fire Stick app and I just used the app. So I might be able to do that because she said they don't sell them on Amazon, but there's a Roku TV here, but not a Roku remote. I'm gonna go ahead and find a comforter and sheet. I'm gonna buy some different ones later, but I don't even see comforters that I want. This is the comforter by itself. I don't need a set. We are moving, some flies got in, so I need to get some of these to hang up. That's everything. I'm gonna give y'all a little quick haul before I charge my camera and start cleaning. I'm gonna record on my phone me cleaning. So Swiffer comes with the white pads on the bottom and cleaner. Air freshener, strawberry, my fave. Thing for the flies because we need to hang this up. Dishwasher thingy. Scrub daddy, y'all. I'm excited. This is my first scrub daddy. Like the Roku remote. Y'all, we're being cheap now. Glass cleaner, wipes, and some more spray. A lot of my stuff is missing. I had so many kitchen stuff. I don't have my plates, my cups. I literally don't have, like, I'm missing a whole freaking box. I don't know where it's at. And tell me why. I called the people in the front office. I was like, the apartment's not clean. I have to clean it. Like, what's going on? She's like, yeah, I know. I went and took pictures and told them it wasn't clean. Okay, like, what are we gonna do about it? I got some cheap dollar tissue for now so I can wipe my butt. I'll get more tomorrow when we go grocery shopping. To clean the washing machine. I don't know what they had in here. My favorite soap is Fabuloso. Okay, I'm recording on my phone now in case you care about the quality. That's why. So we're gonna start by putting these in the washer because I have lots and lots of stuff to wash. So I've never used these before because it cleans the washer. And there's people in the background, little minions, so if you see me talking.
I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me. Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever real. Yeah, take my hand. I promise we'll fall love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can, take my hand. I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh.
Okay, I'm like taking a break. I'm tired. Look, I'm at. I got pizza. There's flies still in here. I don't know. I got this big Wednesday, so I still didn't have a new SD card, so now I'm still on the phone camera. Now we're gonna sweep and Swiffer the bathroom. I already cleaned the counters and the cabinets and the toilet. The shower needs some more deep cleaning than my mom did yesterday, so I'm gonna do that later, but let's get to sweeping. Okay, so my parents just dropped off. Sorry for the yellow lighting, guys. I don't have my. Oh, they forgot to clean my light. I just got a lot of stuff, and I'm gonna montage it. I don't know if it's gonna be a part 1 or part 2, depending on how long the video is. Okay, so I unboxed everything. It wasn't that much stuff. So a few house things like butter holder. I'm not this isn't mine, but I don't know why I put it in storage. So these are like wine glasses right here, some cups, soap dishes, some stuff I'm gonna put on my computer desk. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but I'm gonna just keep them just in case I'll ever want to make my own like serums. Lash glue, shipping box thingies. My Jeffree Star conspiracy palette, y'all. I literally waited in line for this. Like, I was the only black girl in that line. A lot of things I have people coming to get. And I was just about to order these. I'm glad I found these. Some tissues. Toothbrush holder. I don't know if I'm going to use that, though. Some fall stuff. Extra Swiffer thingies. I'm out over here. This is my kitchen stuff. I don't know when I'm doing grocery shopping. I might do it tomorrow, or tonight. I don't know. I'm gonna put these in the dishwasher. Cups, crock pot, blender, toaster, Somebody sent this to me for a review. I got plates, but I think I'm just gonna, I'll take this one out. I'm gonna hand wash these, like, just to be safe. So, but yeah, that was all that was in those boxes. Not much.